How to change the printheads on the PageWide XL printer series. To change the printhead, you'll need gloves and a new printhead. Make sure that all ink cartridges are at least 25% full. You can check this by clicking the ink button. To start the printhead replacement, click the ink button. Then, click the printhead tab. And finally, click replace. You will need to do a calibration when you're done. Make sure to handle the printheads with care. First, lift the handle on both sides, then pull up to open the print bar cover. Find the printhead you want to replace and pull the blue handle up to open the latch. Pull up to extract the printhead. Slowly remove the protective caps from the new printhead, starting with the one labeled number 1. Then remove cap number 2. Insert the new printhead. Close the latch. When you are done replacing your printhead, click Finish and check. Close the print bar cover. You have now replaced your printhead. A printhead calibration will now be performed. Press Continue to proceed. Select the paper you'd like to perform the calibration with. Click Start to begin the printhead calibration. Your printhead is installed and you can now use the printer.